Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy says a reservoir dam has been hit by Russian air raids in his hometown. Kyiv, the largest city in central Ukraine with an estimated population of 650,000, was hit by 8 cruise missiles. The strikes hit the Karatunov Reservoir Dam, Zelenskyy said in a video address released early on Thursday, calling Russia a terrorist state. 112 homes were flooded, and works to repair the dam on the Invade River were underway, and that flooding was receding. The deputy head of the president's office said in an online post that there had been no civilian casualties in the attack. It is unclear exactly why the Russians would want to target the dam, but perhaps it is because it is the hometown of Zelenskyy.